Welcome back to my channel. I am K. Shruti from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am here to explain the few concepts of JavaScript. In JavaScript, the objects are the main topic. By using the objects, we have to access the code at any place in the program. So in JavaScript, the objects are the key value pairs where the keys are called as the properties. They can be a strings or a symbols or the values or anything. Like the primitives and functions are also allowed in the objects. As we know, the objects are the building blocks in a JavaScript and heavily for creating and organizing the complex data structures. It is a simple program for creating an object. As we see, the name equals to John, age, 30 and greet functions. These are the key value pairs. By using console.log, we have to access the objects. Then this is the required input, then the required output is hello zone, and we have to update in JavaScript. We have to update or deleting the properties of a program by using the keywords like add or delete. By using the add keyword, we have to add a new property to the required program. By using the delete keyword, we have to delete. In a certain program, we didn't want that record, but that record already added in that program, but we didn't want that. Then we have to use the delete keyword. Then that record will be deleted. Next topic is nested objects. The term nested objects define like that one object is nested with the another object. So a nested object is an object that contains the another object as one of its properties. This allows to create a complex hierarchical structures for representing the data. That means one object is created, inside that another object will be also be created. That means one object refers to the another object. That means one object will be changed, then the another object will be also changed, because these two objects are independent. They are not independent to each other, because one object is nested with the another object, means one object is dependent on the another object. So first, creating the one object in the person const function, where name and age and address are the key value pairs. Inside the object, another object also will be created. In this object, the key value pairs are street, city and zip. So here the person is nested with the name, age and address. Another object will be also created. The key value pairs are street, city and zip. So here one object is nested with the another object. If one object will be changed any information, then another object will be also impact on that. Next, another main topic is functions. Functions are one of the core building blocks of a JavaScript. They allow to encapsulate the blocks of the reusable code, which can be called, executed whenever needed. How can we creating the functions? The basic for the creating a function, that means the syntax for the function is function greet. Whatever the name we have to create for the function, we have to declare the function name, and return. By using the return keyword, we have to access that data. So while writing the statement console.log greet Alice, then we get the output hello Alice. And next, arrow functions. Arrow functions is nothing but the functions which are arrowed, that means to be accessed, that called as the arrow function. The simple syntax for the arrow functions is const greet equals to name, then we get the name hello name. Next, by console.log greet Charlie, then we get the output hello Charlie. So here we have to understand one thing. Console.log means it is like a print statement. By using the console.log statement, we get the required output. Next, calling functions. Calling functions means greet Alice. Execute the greet function by aliasing the argument. So as we know, there are the functions, calling functions, call by value and call by reference. As we know, there also exist in the JavaScript. Next, the next topic is this keyword. By using this keyword, we have to access the data. Once the object is created, the key value pairs are given like name, age and greeting. By console.log statement, we have to access the data. By using this keyword, we have to access the key value pairs. That means as we discussed earlier, console.log statement is like a print statement. as we written console.log hello plus this dot name. By using that this keyword, we have to access the key value of the this. Then the key value of the name is John. Then we get the output hello John. Next, the next topic is variables. As we know, the variables are used to store the values. So using the variable, using var, and using let, and using the const, these are the variables. So the simple syntax for using the variable is var name equals to width, name equals to Vishnu, means we get the required output as Vishnu. So we have to declare the variable by using the keyword var, and we have to also declare the variable by using the let keyword also. When we use the let a is equals to 25, that means a is equals to 25 will be assigned to that a's factor. But while writing a is equals to 26, then it can be like rewriting. Then when we use the console.log statement, then we get the required output as 26. That means by using, once we creating the variable, after we rewrite the variable by using the same function. Next, using the const year equals to 2006, then year equals to 2000, then console.log year equals to, then we get the year 1998, because this not throw an error, reassigned is not allowed. I mean, here we observe. So using the constant function, we have to declare the value 2006. Const is nothing but constant. Constant means that value will be constant, that cannot be changed. While we rewriting the year equals to 2000, that we have to overwrite this. We are trying to overwrite this, but it is not possible. Next, JavaScript modules. JavaScript modules allows you to organize or encapsulate the code into reusable pieces. This approach makes use the code cleaner, more maintainable, and easier to debug. It is a simple program for the JavaScript modules. Export const add equals to a plus b and a minus b. So we have to using JavaScript modules doing the addition and subtraction, and by importing the demo.js, we have to add or subtraction by using the console.log statement directly. So it is the simple and key points of the JavaScript. Thank you.